When market dips, where do you run to? Do you run to specific stocks that you love and you want to own for, for maybe 5, 10 years? Or do you just want to play a quick dip in the market before it goes up? So I like to kind of do a little bit of both. But today in this video, I want to outline a strategy that I created, and it follows it with a simple plan. And then I could actually create a dashboard that follows all of these trades. And on top of all that, we just closed out 27 wins and 2 losses in this dashboard. So if that sounds great to you, hopefully you'll stick around here, and I'm actually going to give you free access to this today. So yeah, that's right. I'm going to give you 30 days of access to this dashboard, but I want to show you exactly how this thing works. So let's go ahead and jump in. So how do we find every trade? How am I finding these trades? Well, number one, I wait for the dip. A stock on our watch list sells off hard into a deep oversold territory. Basically, I have a dip meter. I have a bunch of sectors I'm watching, and it begins to load. And then number two, the confirmation. The stock stops falling and reclaims the prior day's high. The bounce is going to mean that it is going to be real. So we don't actually want to just be doing falling knives. We actually want to have legit bounce trade opportunities. And number three, we simply ride it out. We got the entry, we got a stop loss, a take profit target, and everything is right there on the dashboard for you. And like I said, we just closed out. Now, this isn't 2025, this is 2026. I don't know why I put 2025 there, but we just closed out 27 wins, a 93% win rate, and 2 losses. And so these are all the trades right here. And I can even move my, I wonder if I can move myself here. No, I can't move myself. I was going to move myself, but these are all of the trades. And there's some really good ones. There's some really good ones in here. We had Apple at 4%. We have GDX at 7.46%. I mean, we had some really good trades. We actually only lost 2 of them. And these are actually some top winners that we had. So Palantir, this is just a one-day trade, 17%. That was actually, I think that might have been earnings or just a big news event. Cat, same thing, same deal. 6 days, 10%. 3 days on TSLL, we had 6%, and then 8.23 3 days here on ARM. So these are just quick little dip buying opportunities. And man, they were some really quick winners, some really good winners. And then obviously, we want to highlight the losses. We had 2 losses, SPX, SpaceX, which is, I added that in the dashboard because I want long-term to be trading the dips on SpaceX. I just don't know if it's quite ready for the dashboard yet, but I'm going to keep it in there. Because I always love to see what's going on with SpaceX anyways. But that was a big down day or a big down trade. And then Costco, which I believe that was our only loss in like the last 30 trades with it. So kind of a bummer there. But we only had 2 losses there. So why the numbers hold up? Well, we have, and in fact, we're actually at 82, but with like a 4-year back test or 2-year back test. I believe it was 2 years, actually. I don't want to misquote, but 2 years of full back testing all these tickers that I have. We had about 70% win rate, 1.4% profit factor. And oh yeah, right here, 24 months. Yeah, 2 years. So there we go. So every ticker on watch list earns a spot. And like I said, there's probably a couple that we could remove, like I said, with SpaceX, but man, there's just some really awesome winners. So what I want you to do is I'm going to have a link in this description on this video, and go ahead and click that. I'm going to give you 30 days access to this thing. And so I want to actually show you a little bit more kind of what the dashboard looks like, because maybe you're a little bit, you're thinking, oh yeah, that's cool, but what is this actually going to be something like meaningful for me? Well, this is the dashboard. So I have all the active winners, our won, lost, full log, best picks. I always like coming on here and seeing what the best picks are of the day. We actually just had a ton of signals that just fired off. I'm doing a lot of I have some 2x leverage stocks in here. So the AAPU. And so you click on that and you get to see a little chart. You got to see when we entered. So this has actually been kind of sideways chop for a little bit. But we're heading to TP. So we're heading to take profit right here. So this one was August 10th. This was about 8 days ago. And we had the entry right here, and it's gone sideways. Now we had a little bit of pop today. This is our take profit target right here. As soon as we get that, we will get the alert, and you will get out of that trade, and that'll be a winner. That'll be another winner on our in our pocket there. So There's some really cool stuff in here as well. Today we actually had 13 signals. So today's a deep dip day. So if you're watching this later on, you look at the market today, you're thinking it's not dipping today. Well, today in particular, as I'm doing this video, we had a nice little dip in the markets. And yeah, I mean, it's really cool because we're seeing semis are in a deep dip, solar's in a deep dip, airlines, silver, which is, I've been loving silver. I've been absolutely loving silver, and I actually don't know if we have, I don't know if we have a play on silver right now or not. Look at it, SLV, and I think we're just watching. So we actually had our take profit hit. So look at silver. Look at these winners on silver. So we've been killing it. Now the losers are a little bit bigger, but I mean, look at all these. The winners are outweighing it, 84% win rate. I'll be waiting for another opportunity here on silver for sure, because I've been really watching silver on these dips. But anyways, this is, you can kind of click through this. I got a manual, I got a playbook for you, I got everything you need in here. We even do options. And so let me actually go back to let's just go this play right here. And so we have, let me actually go back. So we actually have this play right here. And so we actually have the call, the recommended call, entry, where it's at right now, possible gain, and all that good stuff. So if you guys are options traders out there, you also will love this as well. We also got our alerts and everything baked in right to this dashboard. So if you guys want, like I said, if you want free access, I will give you 100% free access to this dashboard. Just for you guys on this channel, I know that we've been kind of slow putting out videos on here. I have some really cool ideas for this channel moving forward, but I want to offer you guys some really cool stuff in here. And so one in particular thing that I wanted to do is offer you a bunch of free stuff, and that we've been kind of cooking in the lab here. So this is my favorite dashboard that I've ever seen. Honestly, it just does. It fits my styling perfect, and our members are absolutely loving it. And like I said, you get 30 days access. Try this bad boy out. So click on the link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. See if it's for you. Get yourself access to this, and we'll see you guys. We'll see you in there. So, all right. Well, that's going to be it for me in this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, give it a quick little thumbs up. And yeah, we would appreciate it. All right, guys. That's it for me. I'll see you.